Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about your daily schedule.
Yes, your daily routine, the things you do every day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
This episode is perfect for beginners. We use simple English,
Short sentences, easy words, and lots of repetition.
so you can listen
Understand?
and speak with us.
Before we start, please like and subscribe to our podcast.
And share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, let's start learning.
Daily schedule. Morning routine. Ronald, let's start with morning. Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Listen, everyone. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat with us. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job.
You can change the time. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Very easy sentence. I wake up at...
Stephanie, what do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
Great phrase. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Nice. After that, I wash my face.
I wash my face. Repeat, everyone.
I wash my face.
Morning routine example. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I wash my face.
That is a perfect beginner morning description. Stephanie, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Good sentence. I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Repeat, please. I eat breakfast at 7:30.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Learners, you can say, my breakfast is bread. My breakfast is eggs. My breakfast is tea and toast.
Stephanie, what is your breakfast?
My breakfast is coffee and toast.
Simple and clear.
After breakfast, I take a shower.
Good phrase. I take a shower.
Repeat with me. I take a shower.
Again, I take a shower.
After that, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Repeat.
I get dressed.
Morning routine example. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I take a shower. I get dressed.
That is a full morning routine. Going to work or school. Stephanie, how do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Great sentence. I go to work by bus.
Repeat, everyone.
I go to work by bus.
You can say, I go to work by car. I go to work by train. I walk to work.
I like that one. I walk to work.
Yes, simple and natural.
Work/study time. At work, I check emails.
Phrase, I check emails.
Repeat. I check emails.
I have meetings.
I have meetings.
Repeat.
I have meetings.
Learners, you can say, I study English. I study math. I work on my computer.
Example, I work on my computer.
Repeat, please.
I work on my computer.
Stephanie, what time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Good sentence. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Repeat. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
My lunch is rice and vegetables.
Nice beginner sentence. My lunch is rice and vegetables.
Repeat, please.
My lunch is rice and vegetables.
After lunch, I work again.
Phrase, I work again.
Repeat.
I work again.
Sometimes I feel tired.
Good expression. I feel tired.
Repeat.
I feel tired.
Learners, this is very useful English.
In the evening, I go home.
I go home.
Repeat.
I go home.
I arrive home at 6 p.m.
Nice. I arrive home at 6 p.m.
Repeat.
I arrive home at 6 p.m. Stephanie, do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do. I cook dinner.
Phrase, I cook dinner.
Repeat, please.
I cook dinner.
Sometimes I order food.
Good daily phrase. I order food.
Repeat.
I order food.
After dinner, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Repeat.
I watch TV.
Or I watch YouTube.
Yes, many people say this.
I watch YouTube.
Repeat.
I watch YouTube.
I also relax.
I relax.
Repeat.
I relax. Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
Great. I brush my teeth again.
Repeat.
I brush my teeth again.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Sentence. I go to bed at 10:30.
Repeat, everyone.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Listen, speak, practice. Now let's practice a full daily routine.
Listen first.
Then speak. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
Now repeat with us. Repeat sequence.
Great job.
Mini dialogue practice. Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and relax.
Perfect beginner conversation.
Alarm and getting up.
Alarm and getting up. Ronald, Stephanie, do you use an alarm?
Yes, I use an alarm.
I use an alarm.
Repeat.
I use an alarm.
My alarm rings at 7 a.m.
Good. My alarm rings at 7 a.m.
Repeat, everyone.
My alarm rings at 7 a.m.
When the alarm rings, I get up.
Great phrase. I get up.
Repeat.
I get up. After I get up, I make my bed.
Very useful daily phrase. I make my bed. Repeat.
I make my bed. Some learners say I don't make my bed.
Yes, also correct. Repeat. I don't make my bed.
Stephanie, what do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Phrase. I drink coffee.
Repeat.
I drink coffee.
You can say I drink tea. I drink milk. I drink water.
Example. I drink tea.
Repeat.
I drink tea.
Some people exercise in the morning.
Good sentence. I exercise in the morning.
Repeat.
I exercise in the morning.
Or I stretch.
Repeat. I stretch.
Or I go for a walk.
Repeat.
I go for a walk.
Now, let's talk about students.
Yes, daily schedule for students.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
Repeat.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
I have classes.
Repeat.
I have classes.
I study English.
Repeat.
I study English.
I do homework.
Repeat. I do homework.
In the afternoon, I eat a snack.
Phrase. I eat a snack.
Repeat.
I eat a snack.
My snack is fruit.
Repeat. My snack is fruit. My snack is biscuits.
Repeat.
My snack is biscuits.
After work, I do housework.
Good phrase. I do housework.
Repeat. I
Do housework.
Examples. I clean the room. I wash dishes. I sweep the floor.
Let's repeat.
I clean the room.
I wash dishes.
I sweep the floor.
Sometimes I go shopping.
Phrase. I go shopping.
Repeat. I go shopping. I buy food.
Repeat.
I buy food.
I buy vegetables.
Repeat. I buy vegetables.
In my free time, I use my phone.
Phrase. I use my phone.
Repeat.
I use my phone.
I chat with friends.
Repeat. I chat with friends.
I listen to music.
Repeat. I listen to music.
Now, listen to a full day again.
Just listen.
I wake up early. I get up. I make my bed. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I work again. I go home. I cook dinner. I relax. I go to bed.
Now, repeat with us. Repeat sequence.
Excellent work.
Question practice. Stephanie, what do you do after work?
I go home and cook dinner.
Good answer.
Ronald, what do you do at night?
I watch TV and relax.
Nice.
Repetition block. Let's repeat important verbs.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Eat.
Eat.
Go.
Go.
Work.
Work.
Relax.
Relax.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sentence building.
Now, build sentences.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I go to work at 9.
I eat lunch at 1.
I go home at 6.
I go to bed at 10.
If you can say these sentences, you can speak about your day.
Yes, this is real English.
Simple English is powerful.
You are learning real communication.
Night routine expanded.
At night, I change clothes.
Repeat, I change clothes.
I wash my face.
Repeat,
I wash my face.
I set my alarm.
Repeat.
I set my alarm.
I go to sleep.
Repeat, I go to sleep.
Final practice story. Listen to this daily routine story.
A simple day.
I wake up at 7. I get up. I make my bed. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work all day. I eat lunch. I go home. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I brush my teeth. I go to bed.
Now repeat slowly. Repeat.
Amazing work today.
Wrap up. Today, we learned daily schedule English.
Let's review key phrases. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast. I go to work, I eat lunch. I go home, I eat dinner, I relax, I go to bed.
These are very important daily English sentences,
If you can say these, you can talk about your day.
and you are improving already.
Yes, really. Good job today.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what is your morning routine? We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.